Get into your dentist and get referred to Northern Cross. Ask them if they have an affiliation with Northern Cross, because I couldn't imagine looking back on it having gone anywhere else. My name's Martin Daly, and a few years ago I made a decision that was long overdue to get my teeth fixed. I had a lot of overcrowding and the front teeth crossed each other, and I went to an orthodontist in close to home, and they decided that I was an extreme case and that I needed to see a specialist. So I was referred to Kieran Daly here in Northern Cross Dental. It was always recommended to me to see an orthodontist, and I think I was always fearful maybe of the cost, and it was more so massively embarrassment about coming in to deal with it, and it just got to the point where I kind of went bit the bullet and said I had to. I'm delighted I did now at this point. Yeah. From the front door to the dentist chair, everything was perfect. Everybody was lovely, very accommodating, very understanding, and just very pleasant all round, and really made me feel at ease, that it was the right decision that I made. I had to have surgery on my upper palate, which sounds worse than it is. We had to put an expander in to push the palate apart to make it bigger. A massive thing for me was really when I was brought back in for a meet and greet again with the surgeon who did that. I came back in and he actually asked me a question. I had my braces on at this point. He just asked me a question and he just said, "How was your sleep?" And I'd never considered it before, that from pushing the palate apart to the way it should be really opened up my airways. I really struggled with sleep over the years and never put it down to the fact that it was to do with my palate, so I could never sleep on my back previously, and now I sleep better than ever before. It was really a game changer for me, and once the teeth were all straightened and Dr. Daly was happy with that, we had 6 veneers fitted to the front, and I also had a gum graft. On this side, I think the gum was slightly higher. There was a lot, my journey was, as I said, I was an extreme case. There was a lot done, but I think we fitted it all in within 2 years. It was unbelievable how quickly it all went for me, and I couldn't be happier, yeah. Couldn't be happier with having attended here, like I said, from the front door to the chair. Everybody was absolutely fantastic. And the girls managing all my appointments, I had to see several different dentists. It was all fantastic. I would just urge anybody to get in and see their local dentist, and if they reckon they're an extreme case, ask them if they'd be referred here. I'm 39 now. I think I started in 21, so it was 4 years ago, and it was very much an embarrassment thing for me that I delayed for so many years, and that's probably my only regret that I didn't do it sooner. I was given the choice of veneers or composite bonding, and it was explained to me about the long-term benefits of veneers over composite bonding. It's the choice that I went for. I felt like the veneers were the best way to go forward. No, I couldn't believe how quickly it went, I recently got promoted this year, and the feedback that I got from my interview was how confident I came across in that, and I get compliments all the time on the smile, it's when I feel so much better for having gotten it done, yeah. As I said, the feedback I got from my interview was how confident I came across, and previously, if you look at any of my childhood photos, I'm smiling afraid to show my teeth, whereas now, I smile at myself in the car mirror nearly, when I'm going to work, I feel so much stronger and confident for it, and I got this promotion. I feel this definitely helps, I couldn't be happier, yeah.